Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I really hope that you can see those grid lines. I hope. Yes, here we've got the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines should disappear. To reset the settings, we have to open the settings themselves, and they are in the right upper corner. So just tap on this gear icon, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset. Tap on reset, let's go back. And as you can see, the grid lines are not visible. If you're not sure, you have to trust me. The grid lines are not active, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.